Most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. It was a beautiful day across the region. We saw some sunshine, of course, a cold day too. Let's take a live look outside from our Crew Bug Collision Tower Cam overlooking the city of Utica. Beautiful sunset this evening, and also that full moon is coming up, although it's going to be a little bit tricky to see that, especially if you live north of the Mohawk Valley. We have a few flurries out there this evening from the lakes, especially north of Rome towards Boonville, Lewis County, northern Herkimer County, and northern Oneida County. This is not expected to last long and is not expected to produce any accumulation. Let's talk about tomorrow, the impact from the next weather maker. This will be arriving late in the day, so the morning and the afternoon look fine to get around. By the evening time, there'll be some light snow and a relatively small impact on the roadways. At night, it's going to be a completely different story. A wintry mix is going to have a high impact on travel across the region. We're talking about sleet and freezing rain. Tonight, some very light flurries are out there. This is a look in Rome. You can see that the roads are barely covered. Current temperature is 20 degrees. It feels like 10 with a bit of a wind. Sky watchers, Old Forge 14, Ohio 19 degrees, Clinton 18, Glenmore 18 degrees, Hartwick 21, and Cassville checks in with 15. As we look at the radar and satellite picture, again, pointing out a couple of very light lake effect snow showers. These are drifting north. The big story is what happens tomorrow. All of this precipitation is going to turn into a pretty sizable winter storm for the mid-Atlantic. The bulk of this will pass to our south. We'll still get a glancing shot. And by the time it gets here, it produces some snow, but it's going to be mainly an ice event as we head into tomorrow night. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight. And a couple of flurries out there to the north, partly cloudy skies, temperatures drop down into the single digits. So a cold start to tomorrow morning, but we're dry at 7 a.m. for the morning commute. Heading into tomorrow afternoon, the clouds thicken up. Light snow breaks out tomorrow evening around 5 p.m. So the evening commute does feature some light snow. The snow turns over to sleet and freezing rain. Travel gets impacted after 7 p.m. There'll be some slippery spots out there. Heading into Thursday morning, the air does warm up enough so that we're turning over to rain, and no big travel issues are expected throughout Thursday. Rain turns back over to snow with temperatures in the mid-30s. A trace to an inch of snow is expected tomorrow evening. North of the valley, we could see 1 to 2 inches of snow, but most of this is going to fall as ice, and there will be a widespread light coating of ice, freezing rain just enough to glaze untreated surfaces. And again, it doesn't take much at all for this to cause a problem. We'll be looking for that tomorrow night. Cold tonight, we're down to 3 degrees. Tomorrow, most of the day looks dry, but then tomorrow evening, some light snow develops, a high of 29. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. An early high on Thursday of 39. Rain showers turning back over to snow showers. Friday and Saturday look dry. It will be mild both days. Temperatures above freezing. Next weather maker, another wintry mix, although more rain than snow, sleet, and freezing rain. Sunday's high 46, light snow on Monday. Stay with us.